Hi, I'm Tun-Chun Huang. Today I would like to talk about a research regarding the concept of political skill. Specifically, I would like to show you that, depending on how political skill is measured, it may be differentially related to employees' self-concept and behaviors. Political skill is an interpersonal savvy and style construct, enabling individuals to successfully secure resources and influence others at work in ways to ensure effectiveness. Political skill is a critical personal characteristic for employees, demonstrating a broad impact on a range of organizational outcomes. Results of a recent meta-analysis found that political skill is positively related to self-efficacy, job satisfaction, organizational commitment, work productivity, organizational citizenship behavior, career success, and personal reputation, and negatively related to physiological strain. Scholars have often used self-assessment to measure political skills. For example, we might ask someone to indicate the extent to which he or she agree with the statement, "I find it easy to envision myself in the position of others," or, "I am able to make most people feel comfortable and at ease around me." So, what's the problem with self-reported data? Indeed, self-reported measures could give insights about an individual's perceived functional ability. However, if we treat political skill as an ability construct, using self-reported data to capture the concept of political skills can be problematic. For example, self-reported political skill is susceptible to social desirability and faking, which could limit its usage in high-stakes testing contexts such as personnel selection settings in which the respondent has strong motivations to present a socially desirable impression. To address this issue, in the present study, we collected political skill scores from self and other reported measures simultaneously. Specifically, if other reported data are used as the basis for political skills assessment, can we obtain reliable other reported scores, i.e., with a high degree of inter-rater agreement, and will the other reported political skills scores be significantly different from the self-reported scores? In addition, would self and other reported political skill differ in their ability of predicting different outcomes? First, we would like to examine whether other reported political skill bears acceptable inter-rater reliability. Second, we will compare the scores of self and other reported political skill and see if they correlate with one another significantly. Finally, we believe that self-reported political skill would be better able than other reported political skill in predicting one's own self-efficacy. On the other hand, other reported political skill would be better able than self-reported political skill in predicting job performance rated by supervisors and interpersonal liking rated by coworkers. "177 full-time employees participated in this study. Participants are asked to fill the questionnaire of political skill and self-efficacy. In addition, each participant was paired with one supervisor and 2 to 3 coworkers. Participants have to work with their colleagues at least 6 months to ensure that they are familiar with each other. Supervisors are invited to evaluate the participants' job performance, whereas coworkers are invited to evaluate the participants' political skill and their liking toward the participant. As for the inter-rater reliability of other reported political skill, the RWGJ were greater than 0.7 for 158 out of 177 participants. For these 158 participants, the mean RWG was 0.89 and the median was 0.90. Which means political skill can be reliably evaluated by coworkers for 89% of participants. Hence, we would perform the rest analyses based on the 158 participants with high inter-rater reliability. The mean value of self-reported scores was 3.78, significantly lower than that of other reported scores. Mean equals 3.93, T, 157 equals minus 3.019, P less than 0.01. In other words, people may demonstrate modesty bias when asking to evaluate their own political skill. Self-reported political skill was positively related to self-efficacy, R equals 0.544. The relationship between self-reported political skill and job performance was positive, but to a lesser extent than the previous one, R equals 0.211. The relationship between self-reported political skill and liking was non-significant. On the other hand, other reported political skill was positively related to job performance and liking, R equals 0.359 and 0.693. The relationship between other reported political skill and self-efficacy was positive, but to a lesser extent than the previous ones, R equals 0.194. Taken together, the pattern of correlations was consistent with our prediction. Results of multiple regression were also support our hypotheses. After controlling for the effects of participants' age, gender, educational level, industry, and job tenure, self-reported political skill is more strongly related to self-efficacy than other reported political skill is. On the other hand, other reported political skill is more strongly related to job performance and liking than self-reported political skill is. Taken together, the present study demonstrated that other reported political skills can be reliably measured by coworkers. We believe that self and other reported political skill are conceptually related but distinguishable constructs. Self-reported political skill is slightly lower than other reported political skills, suggesting there might be modesty biases when asking people to evaluate their own political skill. Self-reported political skill is a better predictor of one's own self-efficacy, whereas other reported political skill is a better predictor of supervisor-rated job performance and coworkers' linking. Since political skill can be reliably assessed by coworkers and is positively related to supervisor-rated job performance and coworkers' liking, employers may consider us as candidates' political skill in the selection process. For example, employers may conduct reference checks to solicit information regarding candidates' political skill from former employers or colleagues. Such information may enhance the ability to predict candidates' future job performance. Thank you for listening. Should you need any further information, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.